Hi. So this video is the teacher lesson plan resource video that is in conjunction with the Peanut Butter Diamonds video from KnowThat. So on the first day, you're going to talk about matter and the elements and things of that sort. On the second day, you'll go more in depth and you'll give the students their projects where they will be developing their own model and design of an element. On the third day, you'll talk about temperature and how to convert from Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. So on the first day, you'll start by proposing to the students, what are things made from? They'll have a short discussion and be sure to pay attention to their thought processes. For example, you could say, well, a table is made from many parts. If we took those parts and separated them, maybe we could make something else, such as a boat or a small house or a chair. And hopefully the students will give you ideas. After that activity is completed, go ahead and show the KnowThat Peanut Butter Diamonds video and ask the students, what did you see? What do you remember? What did you learn? What are you confused about? And after that discussion, relate it back to the table example. Talk about, what is carbon and what does that mean? And you may need to support their understanding. And some students will get it immediately while others will need a little bit more explanation. There's some wonderful resources available on the lesson plan that show you links on the internet. One is in relation to the periodic table. And that resource is very clear. It's very nice with pictures and links of each of the elements. On the second day, you'll get to go more in depth. And this is where you as a teacher will have an opportunity to explain to the students what are elements, what is matter, what are things made from, what makes their size. In the lesson plan, you'll see there's an internet resource called Scale of the Universe. And it is an incredible resource. It gives you the opportunity to zoom in on things where students can see the size and scale of atoms and all sorts of objects. It's really cool. On the second day, you'll also be assigning students into their groups. And what you'll be doing is you'll be asking the students to make their own element, or really a model of an atom. After you've assigned the students into the group, maybe one group is carbon, another one's hydrogen, another group is lead, ask them to make their own element model. And really, you can use any sort of household thing. A few examples that you'll see in the lesson plan are yarn, possibly money, where you could have the coin as the nucleus and coins around do the electrons. But the point is to give students an opportunity to make their own atom. On the third day, you'll need to go back to the movie and really emphasize the part where we talk about heat. Now, Austin does an amazing job talking about temperature in relation to like the sun versus how hot an oven is. It's really nice. We included the Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin to give students an opportunity of, where do you use these different temperatures and why is there more than just one? And you can accommodate this. And there's a worksheet inside of the lesson plans for them to have an opportunity to convert the different temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Kelvin. I really want to encourage you to modify this lesson plan in whatever way you feel is appropriate for your classroom. The movie is wonderful for helping students get excited and learn about matter and the elements. And it gives them an opportunity to show how it applies to their real life. So I hope that you enjoyed the movie, and thank you very much for your time.